The Gone Fishing Immersions are a huge part of our program. They aren't a fundraising program. They're an engagement program. They're a relationship builder, and they're an immersion in the truest sense. I honestly believe they're a life-changing experience.
The positive parts of my work is the interest of the children. Sometimes new students, they come and they see what we are doing, and they're so interested and they're so happy to do it, and that motivates me as a teacher, because I can see they have an interest in learning.
I'm Frank O'Shea, Christian brother. Have been at it now. This is my 46th year, and I've been out of Australia since 1983. This is the fourth stop, and I'm director here at Ruben Centre, Kenya. Womb to tomb care here. You said to keep it concise, but we have a very integrated response to a whole lot of needs from the people of Makuru slums. Social, health, education, welfare, security. That's why I say one-stop shop.
No, there are lots of standout moments for me. A couple of the children at the Mary Rice Centre. Just their affection and their smiles and their desire to learn as well. And the staff there were amazing, and they're working with very little.
I think like the current program we're running is the 8th Gone Fishing program. So we've had 7 in the past. You can imagine if you've had about 10 people, we've actually effected change in about 70 people, and we just want to reach as many people as possible.
I think my ongoing commitment will be completely different now. So whereas before it would have been about just donating money in and hoping that money went to the right places, now you really understand what they need. So for me to go back and to be involved in fundraisers for specific projects or for specific purposes or for even specific people would be a different way of looking at this. And I don't think you can do that until you really understand whether it's the organisation or the people that need the help. So I think that would be my ongoing commitment, is that we will probably, my husband and I will be doing some sort of fundraisers. I'd love to be involved with this programme again because it is just phenomenal. But it would be around kind of specific things that we have seen and we've experienced on this trip.
The most rewarding thing about my job is when I come every day in the morning, the children would run towards me, they would give me tight hugs, and high. Then the other thing is that when I receive a child at the center, they are very weak. Then after I do therapy for some time, they improve, they'll get head control, they will sit, they will stand, they will walk. It's very rewarding to me.
What we're hoping to achieve from the Gone Fishing program is that the participants will return home and they'll be advocates, not for the foundation but for the people that they've met and the experiences that they've had, and they'll be able to use their knowledge and the immersion experience to open doors, to advocate to their networks and to bring more people on the journey with us and with the people of Africa.